looks like. This is not cheap, just to let you know. Not to brag, but it was not cheap. It was a giant splurge. So you get the makeup mirror in here with the highlighter. It's this big crater of highlight. And underneath it comes this brush. I stopped using it, but sometimes I use it still, if that makes any sense. Because, you know, I haven't cleaned it, but I probably should. But this is what comes with this. So you're not getting totally ripped off by Urban Decay. Just kidding, you're not getting ripped off. So it's worth it. Just gonna take this little brush here from e.l.f. and just rub it in. I'm just doing this just to like over exaggerate it for you, but you really don't have to rub it that much. What the hell? Alright. Gonna go in my brow bone. And the other one. A little on top. Okay. Just trying to fix my brow. A little on top. In the inner corner. Down my nose. And my Cupid's bow. I don't always do it here because I feel like if I could see my natural highlight, I'm like, what's the point? So that's that. And next, I don't do liners because I'm not that comfortable with those at all yet. Sorry, I'm like really tired. Oh yeah. Where can, there it is. My new favorite eyelash curler from Sephora. I really want to get another one of these so I could do the two for the two at the same time thing. So you just grab your lashes. This goes really close, so be careful. It hurts. When it hurts, you know you're too close. And I just count for a while, or I just let it sit. And it really makes my lashes look long and beautiful and curled, of course. Depending on how they look, I'll do this a few times if I feel like I need to. Yeah. That's good for now. Let me see this one. Just kidding. Yes. And sometimes I just do that. I don't even put any mascara on. I just love the way it curls. And with my glasses on, it's kind of hard to see them anyway. Which mascara do I want to use? I haven't worn this one with my, oh, nice. Since I've had my curler, so I'll do this. It's the Rimmel London Wonderlash Waterproof Mascara with Argan Oil. It's really pretty. In shade black. And it's pretty, like, smudge free. Which I like. It's just like a light mascara. It's not anything that's gonna give you a lot of volume or anything. It's pretty natural. But I like that it doesn't really clump my lashes, because I hate when they clump and they look all spider clumpy. I hate it. Like, I really don't like that. That's something that I look for when I buy a mascara, one that doesn't do all that. So that's my lashes. And if I don't like the direction they're going, I'll take something, and usually I have extra mascara wands. But let me see if I can find something. I'm just so tired. I'll try to spread them a little. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that's pretty good. What else? Oh, it fell a little, so let me clean that up. No, not with that brush. What about this one? Oh, that's not a good brush. Maybe I will do it. It's only going on like my cheeks. I really don't care right now. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay highlighting brush. Just go like this a little. I literally will stand there by my mirror and look for my natural highlight, and then I'll go over it. But right now I'm too tired to like really look for it. But yeah. And now the last but not least, most exciting part of today. I know I'm so tired, you can't even tell. This is another recommendation that I've got from, before I didn't do my lips yet, but I'll tell you anyway. Recommendation from Candy Johnson. She said in one of her videos that she absolutely loves Model in a Bottle from Hollywood. What's it called? Well, Model in a Bottle. Hollywood something. I forget. But I didn't even know they made setting sprays. And she said this has been around for a long, long time. It's made for people, especially for people with sensitive skin. And I think it said dry skin also. But definitely sensitive skin. Yes, dry, sensitive skin, allergy-prone skin, and rosacea. The original look of it was different and like prettier, but this isn't so bad either. It has aloe vera and lavender and other stuff. It has the essential oils of them, and it smells pretty nice. But let me do my lips first. Chapstick. Can't believe it's been 42.5 minutes and Daniel's not home yet. It's like 7:32 right now. He went to get me a present. Anyway, and pick up his daughter. All dirty. Lips. No, I'm wearing. This is Jordana's Twist and Shine Moisturizing Balm Stain in number 07 Rock and Rouge. Uh-oh. Oh my god, it fell again. On this side now. It's very bright, to say the least. Okay, let me just fix my eye. can. Oh my goodness. Alright, I can't. Where's my powder? I am really tired. I'm not kidding. Alright, so... Wow, that's intense. Now I'm finding all the brushes that need to be cleaned. Alright, so now, model in a bottle. It says it has a matte finish. Shake it, like a Polaroid picture, and go. Like it says, apply makeup, okay. Allow mascara to dry fully, I think it did. Close eyes and spray evenly 10 to 12 inches from face. Allow 20 to 30 seconds to dry before opening eyes. What? I never did that before. Okay, let's see. Watch, I'm gonna bathe myself. Whoa. Oh my god, I opened my eyes. Pretend like I closed them. Is anyone timing this? I don't know, but yeah, I gotta clean it up. Let me grab one of my charcoal swabs. Charcoal. Probably should have let it dry first, but I think it's okay. And that is that. It actually smells pretty good, and my shirt's not like showered wet like it usually is, so I'm really excited. And I'm gonna put this back. That's awesome. I'm only in a hurry because I am so hungry right now. I cannot wait to make dinner. But this is the look. Yeah, my hair got so long. I really need to cut it, but I figure the longer it gets, the more it'll fall and like lay flat rather than going like, you know, puffy. But this is it. Let me grab my glasses. Need to be cleaned, but well, anyway, thank you again for watching, and perhaps I'll see you again soon. If not, you'll have to wait like another however many months it's been since I made like the last makeup video. Thank you. See you again. Bye.